Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Roger's TV remote not working, battery sparing and reset guides. To fix a Roger TV remote that is not working, first check the LED light indicator. If it flashes red 5 times when a button is pressed, the AA batteries are critically low and must be replaced immediately. If your batteries are fresh but the remote remains unresponsive, try to reset, pair and reprogram your Roger's Xfinity or Legacy remote. Fix 1. How to factory reset a Rogers remote. Voice remote. XR15, XR11, Xfinity. Press and hold the A and D button simultaneously until the status light changes from red to green or blue on some versions. Immediately type 981 using the keypad. The status LED will flash to confirm the successful factory reset. Legacy remotes, 3 button or 4 button. Press and hold the CPL and select buttons until the mode light blinks twice. Now enter 981 or 993 depending on your specific model to clear the memory. For XR16 remotes, hold home and back for 5 seconds, followed by the center/OK button to complete the reset. Second, how to pair a Rogers voice remote to the TV box. Ensure your set-top box has a clear line of sight. Now press and hold the Rogers and info button together for 5 seconds until the status light flashes green. Look at your TV screen for a 3-digit code. Enter the code using the remote's number pad, then press OK. Third, fix volume and power buttons not working. Xfinity voice remotes. Go to the main menu by pressing the Rogers button. Now select settings, then go to remote settings, and then go to pair remote to TV, then follow the on-screen brand prompts. Legacy 5 button remotes. Press and hold the setup button until the mode buttons flashes twice. Enter 993 and select the TV button. Step 3. Perform a power drain hard reset. Remove the back cover and take out both the batteries. Now press and hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds to completely drain the remote's internal capacitors. And while the batteries are out, mash every single button on the keypad firmly a few times to dislodge stuck buttons or hidden dust. Wipe the metal battery contacts inside the compartment with a clean dry cloth to remove minor corrosion. Now reinsert a brand new matching set of alkaline batteries. Avoid mixing old and new brands. Fix 4. Replace the batteries. Remove both batteries from the back of the remote, then press and hold the power button for 20 seconds with the batteries out to drain residual electricity. Then insert fresh alkaline batteries matching the plus and minus terminals correctly. Now repair the remote by holding the Rogers and info buttons for 5 seconds if the box does not immediately respond to the new power. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.